lot of what intrigues me about automotives is just being able to step away from the rigorous school schedule and get to do some hands-on work on something that I'm interested in.
Before, back in the day, it was just a part switching and troubleshooting was easier. Now in one car you can have up to like 14, 15 modules, and they all are working in like 2, maybe 3 computers, and you need to like be on your A game in order to figure it out.
There's a lot of technical aspects that goes on to this program, and the vehicle manufacturers are changing vehicles every day. There's a lot more technology that's going into vehicles, so all those things you have to be knowledgeable on.
It has a complete degree on it. I mean, you can just look it online. That's why it got me to come in here and talk to the instructors. Hey, yeah, I'm interested. How do I get in?
I just think CTC is a very real and achievable place to get started, no matter if you just have the slightest bit of interest or if you're full-blown passionate about anything.